Look at these inches, man. We can't look at
Good morning, beautiful people.
What is up, beautiful people? So today I'm going to be doing an ACV rinse on my 3-year freeform dreadlocks. Hope you guys stay tuned to the very end of the video. I want to show you guys the whole process of everything from start to finish. So I want you guys to check out the very outcome rather. Check out Lacuna Collective by Colin Brand. I'll link it in the description, as well as my last 2 videos involving my hair, as well as just general motivation. So stay tuned. Hope you guys love and enjoy this video. Give a big fat thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe right now and share it with your friends, and drop a comment if you love it. Thank you guys. Love you. See you very soon. What you need: apple cider vinegar, baking soda, lime, baby, essential oil. This is the one I'm choosing right now. And I usually like to put some of this bad boy in there, a couple of drops. This is what I usually use just to wash my hair whenever I do wash it. If it's not an ACV rinse, I'll show you guys the whole process of how I use this into the whole thing. Also, what you do need as well is some sea salt, but I am out of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work with what I got here, and hopefully we have a really dope video. One is to run your water. I like to do the lukewarm, more on the hotter side. I just switched it to cold. You want to fill it up about halfway through the bowl, I guess. Just kind of like, you don't have to make everything exact always, so I just kind of ballpark it. This is not my first time doing this by any means, so I just kind of go off of what I've done before, so let's get it, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the steps of everything you need and, you know, that whole shebang. So you're gonna go ahead, and I think you usually put 3/4 cup of this into the water. I'm gonna be honest, I just go for it. I don't really remember how much I usually put in there, but I just go till it feels right. But for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and put 3/4 cup in this bad boy. So here's my 3/4 cup. Looks like some urine, but it's tasty. JK. Okay, here we go. I'll show y'all the water once I drop the baking soda in. So what I'm gonna do instead of dropping the baking soda directly in right now, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little bit of the essential oil into it, and then the lime, because once you drop that baking soda, baby, it be fizzing, like fizzing, dude. And I want you guys to experience that, just how I experience it, and get just as excited as I do. So I do a little bit like a cap full of the essential oil, just drop it throughout like this, like you guys see, like this, right? So I'm gonna close that now. Honestly, I'm running low on my Dr. Bronner's 18-1 Castile soap, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop a couple drops in there anyways. Literally, ooh, that's like a drop and a half. Ooh, I won't too much. Ooh. All right, we in there. Stir it up a little bit with my finger right there. Okay, so now, ooh, found my lime. My lime was in my pocket. I was wondering where it was. But basically now we need to get in this bad boy. So conveniently, I have some scissors. So I'm gonna stab this and like, hope I don't hurt myself. And if I do, y'all see it. And I can't blame nobody but myself. So, okay, all right. I'm just gonna fast forward to when this is done. So, boom. Well, my family's gonna hate me, but I broke the scissors. GG. I probably shouldn't use scissors for this line, but it turns out we're all good. We have more than one pair of scissors, so it'll be okay. Oh boy. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna rip it open at this point. Jeez, why didn't I think of that earlier? So here's my busted lime. And so I'm gonna turn it upside down. I'm gonna use a half for this part because I usually do 2 washes. So I'm gonna see how much I have left after this. And then I'm going to go ahead and, you know, do that. So we're gonna squeeze this lime juice. Try to make sure you don't get any of the pulp in there, man. Cause what happens is, it's happened to me a couple times. I usually like find pulp in my hair like later. And it's not the best. It's like not the end of the world, so don't like hurt yourself or whatever if it like gets in there. But just try to avoid it as much as possible. You don't need all that much lime though either, so just enough to like, it helps with the pH in the water and all that. But yeah, put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. If you guys want like a Q&A video or whatever, if you guys just have questions, go ahead and like comment them below, and I'll make videos about them also, or I'll just make a big sit down Q&A, or I'll do both. So go ahead and drop your questions in the comments as I'm doing this, John here. Let's drop this baby. Activate that baby. Activate it. Yes, sir. Get in there. Oh my! Just ignore that little piece of hair right there. I don't got any explanation for that one. Go ahead and mix these in, mix this bad boy in, mix this in, mix this in. Oh yeah, it's time to wash this baby. Yes, sir. So you're gonna wanna have your head in the water for at least 15 minutes. I like to use this little measuring cup over here that I used earlier in the video to like dump some of the water on different parts of my hair. I also like to move my head throughout the whole thing just to make sure I'm trying to get as many areas as possible. And at this point in my locks history and journey, I usually like to do two ACV rinses at a time. Like, so I do this one and I'll repeat the whole process again. But pretty much it just like is really cleansing to your hair, and you can really feel the difference after you do it. And so after this, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. I'll show you guys, but nothing inappropriate. I'll show you guys I'm hopping in the shower. Go ahead and finish the whole process and check me out, guys. Also, Lacuna, dropping it again. Lacuna merch in the link description. I love you guys. Let's get into it, baby.
So I also want to give you guys some motivation, because that's a huge part of what I'm about. You know, whether it be in your hair process or in your life, just know that you have to remain consistent and keep at it no matter what. There's a lot of things that I do in my life personally that just seem like they're never going to come through. But I know if I remain consistent, all my dreams and all your dreams and desires will come through in due time. Love you all.
This is the after effect of my first go round. I think today I'm just only feeling enough energy for one wash. So that's what I'm gonna do, but this is the water. So hopefully you guys saw the before and this is the after. This is post ACV rinse. I think that's a baking soda right here. That's why it's so white. But about to hop in the shower now. I feel like a pirate. Arg. But I'm about to hop in the shower now. Wash it all out and I'll show you guys the rest of the process. Look at these inches though, man. It's been a long time coming, but I got these inches. Ah.
Also, don't ever tell yourself that you don't deserve something if you're working your tail off to get it. Just a little sidebar I want you guys to know about. Anyways, continue the video.
Whoa, look at these inches, man. So, that's gonna end it for this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. If you want to see me dry my hair, stay tuned, because that's coming very soon. I'm about to literally dry my hair right now. But it's such a long process and I'm pretty drained from my week that I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a separate video so I don't have to edit as much. So please stay tuned for that. It's gonna be coming in 2 days. So after this video drop, come back to my channel in 2 days, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like, and comment. Check out Lacuna Collective and the other 2 videos I'll link down in the description box below. Love you guys, and I'll catch you later, beautiful people. Cue the outro.
You can do it, mean.